What if I told you the next world war won't be fought with bombs or bullets, but with code, data, and machines? Right now, while most of the world is asleep, China is building technology so powerful they could silently reshape global power forever. Artificial intelligence that can track millions of people in real time. A digital currency that can monitor every single transaction you make, and a quantum system that could break the very encryption that protects banks, governments, and even military secrets. But here's the part no one is talking about. What happens when one country can see everything, predict everything, and possibly control everything? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. A silent race is underway between the world's biggest superpowers. And the winner won't just dominate technology, they will dominate the future itself. So the real question is, are we witnessing the rise of the most powerful system in human history, or the beginning of something we won't be able to stop? Number 5. China's AI-powered surveillance system. Across major cities, millions of smart cameras are watching, not just recording, but thinking. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, these systems can identify a person within seconds, even in a crowd of thousands. Walking on the street? It knows. Entering a building? It logs it. Even your behavior, your patterns, your daily routine, everything can be tracked, analyzed, and stored. But here's where it gets even more intense. This system can connect with something called a social credit system, where actions, behavior, and even small decisions can impact your real-life privileges. Imagine a world where your freedom depends on a score, where one system can decide what you can do, where you can go, and who you can become. And the most shocking part, this is only number 5. Because what comes next is even more powerful and far more dangerous. Number 4. China's digital currency, the e-Yuan. Unlike cash, or even the money in your bank account, this isn't just digital, it's controllable. Every transaction, every purchase, every transfer can be monitored in real time. But here's where it gets even more unsettling. This currency can be programmed with rules. Imagine receiving money that you can only spend on certain things, or within a limited time. Or worse, what if your access to money could be restricted with a single command? No. Withdrawals. No transfers. No spending. In a system like this, money is no longer just money. It becomes power. The power to control behavior, to reward, or to punish. And if this model spreads beyond one country, it could completely change how the world uses money. Because in the future, the question won't be how much money you have, but who controls it. Number 3. China's autonomous drone swarms. Not just one drone, but hundreds, even thousands, moving together like a single intelligent organism. Each drone is powered by artificial intelligence, able to communicate, adapt, and react in real time. Take one down, the others instantly adjust, block their path, they find another. And the most chilling part, these drones don't need constant human control. They can identify targets, track movement, and make decisions on their own. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a swarm approaching, silent, fast, unstoppable. No warning, no escape. This isn't just a weapon, it's a completely new way of warfare. A battlefield where speed beats strategy, and machines replace human judgment. And once this technology spreads, wars may never look the same again, because when machines start making decisions, who takes responsibility? Number 2. China's quantum technology. Unlike traditional computers that process information step by step, quantum computers use something called qubits, allowing them to perform millions of calculations at once. Problems that would take normal computers thousands of years to solve could be solved in minutes. And here's where things get truly alarming. This means passwords, banking systems, military codes, even government secrets could all be exposed. But at the same time, China is also building quantum communication networks that are nearly impossible to hack. So imagine this, a system that can break everyone else's security while making its own untouchable. That's not just an advantage, that's total control. And if this technology becomes fully operational, it won't just change cybersecurity, it could redefine global power itself. Because in a world where secrets can't be kept, the balance of power disappears. Number 1. China's artificial intelligence supersystem. This isn't just basic AI. This is a rapidly evolving network of intelligent systems designed to process massive amounts of data in real time. From surveillance cameras to financial systems to communication networks, everything can be connected. Every movement, every transaction, every digital action fed into one powerful intelligence. But here's where it becomes truly unsettling. With enough data, AI doesn't just observe, it predicts. It can anticipate behavior, identify risks, and make decisions faster than any human ever could. Now imagine a system that not only predicts the future, but start shaping it, guiding actions, influencing choices, controlling outcomes. At that point, power is no longer in human hands, and the most terrifying part, this system is already being built, step by step, right now, because in the future, the country that controls artificial intelligence may control the world.